in the various terms. We would now divert our attention to data analytics, data science, data engineering, etc. Again, a lot of people ask me these questions and, hey, Bharani, what are the differences between these different roles that exist? Be it data analyst or data scientist or data engineer, you ultimately work on data, historical data. And this historical data would reside in database. Okay, it will be there in your database. The place where the data is based is called as a database. Database would contain tables or otherwise. It can contain some other ways of storing the data as well for unstructured data, but usually it is tables for structured data. Whether you're a data analyst or a data scientist or a data engineer, you would be taking this past or historical data, and then you'll start analyzing the data. If you start analyzing from past until present, until now, then you would be called as a data analyst. For example, if you have company sales, if you have organization sales, then say you have data from 2015, okay, Jan 2015, until say you have data until April 2023. So if you are going to analyze this data to figure out whether the sales have increased from Jan 2015 until April 2023, or was the sales decreasing, or was the sales going up and coming down? Was it fluctuating? When you answer these kind of questions, then that field is called as data analytics field. And when you work in data analytics, you'd be called as a data analyst. Okay. Next thing is, if you talk about what might happen in the future, say for the month of May, for the month of June, for the month of December, or from May until December 2023, if you want to know what will be your sales, that means you're talking about future. People who talk about future and people who forecast or predict the future would be called as data scientists. And people who work in this profession called data science are called as data scientists. So data scientists work in the field of data science. Data analyst works in the field of data analytics. Simple. Then we also have a key role called as data engineer. The job of data engineer is to ensure that if you are pulling this data of sales data from sales department, maybe from marketing department, maybe from finance department, maybe from accounting department, maybe you need to get the data from all these different departments into a common location. This is the job of a data engineer. Data engineer would try to ensure that data from all the different data sources is always made available in the database in the required format, so that data analysts and data scientists continue working on the data. These are the three key roles that one has to remember.